Hi everyone, let's go to one more video here in our Diecast channel. Today I'm going to show you this 1967 Dodge Coronet RT that's made by Highway 61 at a 1/18 scale. And at first I'd like to thank you for all the views, comments and likes, as well as all subscriptions to my channel and sharings of my videos. So let's unbox this car and take a closer look. Let's go on. Okay, we've just unboxed the 1967 Coronet RT, and what a car. It's really nice. I really like this car in this white color. It's got a blue interior. Looks like leather. As we can see, the blue stripes, the RT badge, gas cap, wheels and tires, which are very nice. The 426 Hemi engine badge, as we can see in here in the front fender. Let's take a look at this front, which looks fantastic. I like this grille. Basic difference between the 1966 and the 67. The 66 got a division right here in the middle. 67 with this Dodge badge, RT badge. And let's take a look at the engine. And what an engine! That's a very nice 426 Hemi. We can see all factory stamps and stickers, radiator, all cables, hoses, reservoirs, battery, engine compartment, as well as hinges with spring mechanism, which is very nice, just like in a real car. There's acoustic insulation, what seems to be, with air intake, adjustable antenna, windshield wipers and trims, which are very well reproduced. Vent windows are fixed. Side view mirrors are excellent, all done in correct scale. Door panels, the Coronet RT, and the dashboard with the openable glove compartment, the automatic transmission, rubber rugs, as well as adjustable foldable seats. You can see the steering wheel and the dashboard with all buttons and knobs. Blue headliner. Let's open the trunk. It's very nice plastic imitating the rubber mat. Back of a trunk, a jack, trunk lid reinforcements, as well as the hinges. Very nice tail lights, as well as this Dodge trim and Dodge badge with the RT badge right here. Rear bumper with reverse lights and dual exhaust. Let's open the driver's door, and what a dashboard. That's very nice, with a horizontal scale and a 3-spoke steering wheel, the wall rod style, as well as the pedals, rubber mat, and a carpet. Very well reproduced, just like in a real car. And finally, last but not least, let's take a look at the bottom. This must be the spare tire compartment, a gas tank, dual exhaust, the mufflers, and the turnable drive shaft. It turns as it's turned the rear wheels. Working suspension, very nice wheels and tires. The bottom is all primer in the middle and body color at the edges. Engine and training, that's a Hemi engine, Hemi orange, as usual. Steering system, as well as the front suspension. And indeed, that's a very nice car. It is approximately 12 inches long. So that's going to be it. Thank you for watching the video, for your likes, your comments, and subscriptions. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave your comments and your likes below, and share my video. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.